Hello guys, I'm Venom and welcome to Simple Thing channel. Today we are going to make sanitizer by mixing alcohol, 75% alcohol and glycerin. You can see glycerin. Now you can get in any shop. There's a cup to mix, measurement cup. Is already marked it for you. You can see 1000 ml, 500 ml and 100 ml, and how much alcohol and how much glycerin you have to put. I have already measured it with the calculator and the volume calculator, alcohol volume calculator. So you can this is 100 ml bottle. You can find anywhere, you can buy it, and then just put 1000 ml alcohol. You put 100 ml glycerin and mix it, and then you can get this one 100 ml bottle. You have to put 100 ml in 1000 ml alcohol. So I have already calculated for you. It will become like 68.18 something percent volume alcohol. So it's okay that 60% minimum you have to have alcohol to kill the germs. So just pour it 100 ml, 1000 ml alcohol, and then 100 ml glycerin, and then we can just stir it, and then it's ready. I have already made it. Now see this one, and now you can use it. Yeah, see, very easy and very nice and cheap. It's very easy to use. Okay, so until next video, so take care, and please like, subscribe and share it. Thanks, and see you in next video, and then I'll send you the calculator, how to calculate.
Scroll down a bit. There it is. How do you use the alcohol calculator? So once you've clicked the link, a new tab or window will open. You might need to sign into your Google account. Then click Make a Copy. You'll have a spreadsheet. Look down the bottom for the one called Alcohol Calculator. Click the down arrow next to the name and click Duplicate. This makes a copy so you don't mess up the original. Now you can enter your recipe. For example, this recipe uses 96% ethanol. It uses 1/3 of a cup of ethanol. You'll need to enter fractions as decimals. The conversions are down here. So 1/3 is 0.33. Change the unit to cups by pressing the down arrow here and select the right one. Then you can enter the other ingredients the same way. Turn any rows you're not using to 0, then the percentage of alcohol will show up here.
So please check it, and until then, see you next time. Okay, bye bye, take care.